Students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 6, the three orders. This is module 7th. In 6th, we discuss about the European society, how they changed, and what about the orders now. We will discuss about this is the political change. This is the time period where the society was changing, that was politically. We had seen that European civilization earlier, especially the Roman civilization, that was scattered, that was ruined. But some of the changes that came here, and these were into the 15th and 16th century. In previous module we discussed about the crisis of 14th century. What were the problems? Now here we will discuss about the political changes into the 15th and 16th century. The changes in 15th and 16th century. 15th and 16th century. Monarchy system was followed. Somewhere you may say rulers were there, some were the aristocratic members were the rulers. So what happened in some of European countries, monarchy was set up. Monarchy system was set up like Louis XI in France. Maximilian in Austria, Henry VII in England, and Isabella and Ferdinand in Spain. So it means these were the some of the rulers that got the opportunity to acquire the throne. Now what happened earlier? The lords and knights and churches were the dominant part. But what happened here in 14th, 15th and 16th century, the kings got the opportunity, because what was happening, the power of the churches and the lords that were decreasing, economic development was also slow. So here the kings got the opportunity to solidify them, to make them strong, because no such of force or you may say pressure was there. What happened? These kings improved their military power, as well as economic condition. What they did, that they acquire some of the wealth and they increase the taxes to pay to the soldiers. They were, you may say, making their army strong, so that during the hard time they can able to save their territory from the enemies. This was the important point, and these were the political changes that were followed. Okay, now what happened next? It was that the lords lost their power and they become loyal. They become loyal or faithful to the king. It means they were the pets of the kings, so that they can also survive, because the lords were not so much powerful as earlier they were. some of the political, social, economic changes were going on, and the feudalism also declined. Feudalism also declined, and due to these allied groups, they lost their superiority or they lost their power. Okay. Now what happened? In France and England, revolt succeed and they become a republic and constitutional monarch. They become a constitutional monarch. So it means in France and England, there was in France totally end up of the monarchy, republic form of government, and in England constitutional monarchy system was there. So what happened? These were some of the political changes that were going into the European society, and king were not so much powerful as they were, but even then they have some their power, they have retained their some power or some of their priority or prestige to rule the country. These things were there.